Hello YouTube, we're working on the '04 Cavalier gas cap. I go to the gas station. This hasn't had gas in it since winter time. It's set all winter. We had a full tank in it, so I could start it, moving around the yard and stuff, you know. And now I'm starting to drive it. It's nice out. I get to the gas station, I can't get the gas cap off. So I'm turning it, and I end up prying it off. I had to literally keep pulling it out and pulling it out. Well, I'm going to show you what I found, what I think the problem is. Sorry I don't have a tripod. It's probably better I don't. But we're going to get here and take this out. But I want you to see this. You can, when you take these out, I'm getting a shadow, they kind of ramp up. I'm just blowing out the camera. I don't know if you can see this. It kind of ramps up. And I'll point at that with a knife here. I'm blowing out the camera. Bear with me. I don't want this to be a long video, but it could help somebody. If you look in here, you see this angle? You see that angle? That helps ramp your cap so it ramps and comes off easy. Okay? Now you got notches here. And you got this little piece. Okay? This little piece locks behind these. Okay? Well, the whole gas cap rides through that, okay? Rides through two pieces. Can you see the scrapes and wear on there? I mean, I fought. I mean, I was getting embarrassed. And then there's the rest of the story. Stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll tell you the rest of the story. That's what it's going to be, probably a long one. No, it's just I couldn't get more than a quarter tank in. Something wrong with her pump. It just kept spitting gas back at me. That's plastic. See where I scraped it? So it ain't going to hurt nothing. I mean, it ain't going to be that. I've been wiping it out. I wasn't going to use sandpaper, but this is what I did. We don't blow this out. I just kept scraping this. See, I'm looking through the lens. I got bright sun on my face. I kept scraping it like this. And this is razor sharp. Trust me, this is sharp as a razor blade. Bear with me in the shadows now. I mean, I done this, and I done this, and I done this, and I bet I've got a half hour into doing that. Okay? So this, don't catch on that. But like I said, I pointed at the ramp thing, you can see it. Here's a piece down here, and then it ramps up. Let's try this again. I'm having a hell of a time. I said a bad word. You don't want to hear the words I wanted to say. It ramps up. I wish I could show you, but it keeps blowing out. Let's put the cap back on. I kind of remember where the arrows are at, right? The arrows, we'll talk about this cap here in a little bit. The arrows are kind of like that. So this is pointing like 11 o'clock. So let's put it in, okay. And it's snug. It don't have a ratchet. Boy, it does the other way. It's total opposite. It goes click, 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 trying to get it off, right? But it won't click going this way. The clicker thing is backwards. I won't tell you what part story about this room, but I don't go there anymore. Okay, when you do this, it kind of ramps up. It kind of right there. See it? Watch. Watch it lift itself out. See that? It ramps up to help you pull it out. Well, I got a test and I could feel it. And I just kept trying. And my arm hurts. I probably with both arms. And I finally tried this cap out of here. And I came home with it loose. Well, we bought this cap because the check engine light come on. So I might as well show you why. See this gasket down in here? Foamy. And I put that silicone grease, which won't hurt rubber. Don't put petroleum grease. It's that silicone grease. I might as well show you right now. For those of you who don't watch my videos, this stuff. As I read that a guy doing brakes on the rubber bushings where the pin goes on the disc brakes, he goes, use silicone grease only. Do not use any petroleum type grease. It will swell the rubber up. So I'm using what's safest I've got. I think you can see that. Boy, it just goes in there so nice now. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and snug. It stops. Hope the check engine light don't come on, because it will click the opposite way. If you spin this centerpiece and hold on here, it will click coming off but not going on. See, these are vented, so it vents through here, and then it probably comes out, I'd say it comes out between this yellowy seal and the O-ring is where the air escapes. So, hope that helps you. I'll take a couple pictures, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you well, I'll just tell you now. I couldn't get gas in this thing. There's a very small pipe. I'll take a picture in there. And I think their pump is so fast. I even tried half speed. So, you know, you're full. It shuts it off, and you see it spit back droplets. It did that 3 times on me. The first time I thought, well, this ain't full yet. I had a quarter tank, and I only got 2 gallons of gas in it. I tried it 2 more times and gave up. I just wanted to get home. You know, I just wanted to get home. I had enough. So, I'll take a picture of that gas pipe up there and show you how small it is. I think the pump pumps out so much freaking pressure. I did it again. You gotta excuse me, I am upset. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff on this car by myself, and I can't afford to take it to a shop. So, look for all the pictures I take, and then it'll help you understand how this cap goes in there and how it's made. So I always take plenty of them. Oh, and thanks for watching this rant/fix-it video. Forgive me for the swear words. You've got to. I'm not editing them out. Usually the most word I say is crap, 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 crap.